Can low voltage cause HVAC problems? Yes, low voltage can make an HVAC system start poorly, run badly, shut off early, and wear out faster. When the voltage to a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system drops below the level it expects, the parts inside do not get enough power to work the right way. Think of it like trying to ride a bike with flat tires, because everything still moves, but it is much harder and less smooth. The blower motor may struggle, the compressor may overheat, and safety controls may turn the system off to protect it. A little known detail is that low voltage does not always come from the power company, because loose wires, bad connections, old breakers, or a failing transformer inside the system can also cause it. That means the problem may look like a big machine failure when it is really a small electrical issue. If the lights dim when the heating or cooling starts, that can be a clue that the system is not getting steady power. The safest action is to have a qualified technician check the voltage at the unit and inspect the wiring before the stress damages expensive parts. Catching it early can save the compressor, the fan motor, and a lot of repair money. One common mistake is ignoring short cycling because people think the unit is just acting normal when it turns on and off a lot. A good tip is to check whether the thermostat, filter, and power supply are all stable before blaming the whole system. Another mistake is assuming low voltage means the thermostat batteries are weak, when the real issue may be at the breaker, contactor, or transformer. A smart fix is to ask for a full electrical check instead of only replacing the thermostat. People also miss the danger of repeated low voltage damage, since motors can run hot for a long time before they fail completely. The best move is to stop using the system if you smell burning, hear humming, or notice weak airflow, and call for service right away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.